Hey kids, have you ever wondered what happens to your food after you eat it? Well, get ready, because today we're taking a tasty trip through your tummy to learn all about the digestion system star. First stop, your mouth. Your teeth are like tiny chompers that mash your food into little bits. And your saliva? That's not just spit. It has special helpers that start breaking food down. Once the food is mushy enough, you swallow it, and it slides down a super cool tube called the esophagus. It's like a food water slide into your stomach. Whee! Welcome to the stomach, the squishy bag of acid and muscles. Your stomach squeezes the food and mixes it with juices that break it down even more. It's like a super-powered food blender. Next stop, the small intestine. It's not actually small. It's really long, like a garden hose. Here, your food gets turned into tiny nutrients that go into your blood to give you energy, help you grow, and make you strong. Anything your body doesn't need, that goes to the large intestine where it becomes poop. Yup, your body's way of taking out the trash. So next time you take a bite of your favorite snack, remember the awesome adventure it's about to go on inside your body. Your digestion system is one amazing machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun science stuff. See you next time, little scientists.